How you doing? My name's Logan. I'm going to show this Android app I made. It allows you to use your phone as a remote control for your computer. So to get it, go to the Play Store and search for WifiMouse, one word, and it's this one right here with the little blue mouse icon. And you might have to scroll down a little bit to find it as well. And I encourage you to use mine over the other ones because a lot of these have pro versions, like as you can see, $4.99, $3.99, and mine has more features than a lot of the pro versions do, and it's completely free without ads, and it doesn't even have in-app purchases currently. It says it does right there, but that's just for donations. So once you've got it downloaded on your phone, go ahead, open it up, and I'll just give you a little tutorial how to use it. So when you start it up, it's going to walk you through how to use it. So yeah, it's going to say go to wifimouse.github.io and download the server. So hop on over to your computer and download that. Whichever one, if you're on Linux, Mac, or Windows, download the appropriate one for your platform. I'm on Linux right now, so I'll download that. And once it's got it all downloaded, just run it. And it's going to search for clients. So it says connect to the same Wi-Fi network or pair with Bluetooth if you're on a Linux or a Mac computer, and choose your server below. And as you can see, it automatically found the server, but if it doesn't automatically find it for you, you can try manually adding a server. And if that doesn't work, you can ask me for help or go on the subreddit, which I'll post in the description. So yeah, just tap it to connect. And click next, and it'll say connected. Consider setting a password for added security if you haven't yet. And if you set a password, it's going to protect you if you're using it on like a public network or something. Anyone who doesn't have the password to the server is not going to be able to connect to it. And your communication with the server is going to be protected with AES 128 encryption. So I'm just going to click done. And now I'll give you a little walkthrough after we're connected. Now I'll give you a little walkthrough of the remote's features. So the main feature is the mouse and keyboard. And yeah, it basically allows you to use your phone just as you would a laptop's touchpad. Behaves exactly as you would expect. You can do double tap to double click, tap to left click. You can use a scroll bar over here, or you can scroll 2 fingers if you prefer to do that. You can tap with 2 fingers to do a middle click. You can double tap the scroll bar to right click. And it works really well, pretty much behaves exactly as you'd expect. And you can also use a full-featured Android keyboard if you want to do any typing. And you can do predictive text, so you can use this, or you could also do autocorrect. So you can autocorrect on the phone and it'll correct on the computer. Let me undo all that. And also you can do you can do typing, and you can also do key combinations. So you could do the arrow keys, or you can hold down on a key and then it's going to sticky key it, and you can do key combinations like that with one hand. It's pretty nice. And you have all your function keys. You have pretty much any key that you would have on a regular keyboard on just on there. So you can also you can enable left and right buttons if you prefer to have those, some physical buttons on there. And you can use those just as you would little click buttons. I prefer to just use tap to click. And of course you can set the sensitivity and whatnot in there. And yeah, this is really useful for if I'm watching a YouTube video. I can you can control the volume using the volume knobs and all that, and you can do it all from your bed or your couch, and it's really convenient to use like that. And you can also do you can use this you can unmute and mute from here. You can change the volume from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the mouse and keyboard remote. It works really well. And then we also have the screen mirroring remote. You can tap the screen to click on here. You can double tap to full screen it. It's pretty nice if you're in the other room or something and you don't remember what's on your computer screen, or just to play around with. It's pretty nifty. You can also pinch to zoom in this remote. Works quite well. And it's worth mentioning that you can open the mouse remote as an overlay over any remote. Same with the keyboard and the media keys. Okay, so yeah, those are another feature of the app is the file manager. So you can send and receive files. So one thing I really like to do is say I take a screenshot. I'll take one right now. Alright, so I just took a screenshot, and now I can, so I'll go in my documents folder, and I'll send it over, allow, okay. And so yeah, you can go in here, and it says sent file screenshot.png, and so it just wirelessly sent it over. It's not connected to USB or anything like that, and it just wirelessly sent the screenshot over. You can tap it to open it on your computer. Works quite well. And you can download it back onto the phone as well. So I just downloaded it back from the computer onto the phone. So that works quite well. You can send and receive files. You can look through your files. You can. I mostly use that for sending and receiving files. I really like sending screenshots with that. It's really convenient. Okay, this run command. This is pretty convenient if you're a Linux user. You can. It'll get your command history and provide you suggestions based on that. Send it to the phone. So you can send a command in there, and you can run the command, and it's going to show you the output on this little terminal window thing. You can start applications. So say I want to start up a text editor from here. Works quite well if you want to do that. You can start up the task manager, which is going to allow you to see the CPU graphs and your RAM usage, and you can kill processes and stuff like that, all from there. Works quite well. You have your power controls: shut down, restart, log off, sleep. You can change your monitor brightness, lock the screen, blank the screen, do any of that from there. And by the way, when you click this, it doesn't shut down automatically. You have to confirm it. So just to let you know about that. And yeah, you have a presentation remote as well. So this is for like PowerPoint and stuff. It's going to, like, if you're presenting something in class, you can hook your phone up to your computer like that and just use this just as a remote instead of using your laptop or whatever, your laptop's keys. And yeah, one last remote that I'll show you. That's pretty much it. But the one last one they'll show you is the YouTube remote, which is going to allow you to, you can change the volume, you can pause and unpause, you can go in full screen and leave full screen, you can go to the next video in the playlist. So yeah, works quite well. Tell me if you like it. Download it, give it a try. It's really really convenient to use. I use it all the time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you like it or if you need any help using it. I'll put all the links in the description for downloading and stuff. Alright, thanks for watching.